Welcome to the Ninja Traders. My name's Tina. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm going to go over some of the most reliable companies that pay consistent dividends. That way you can start earning passive income. Our first stock is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. Right now it's trading at about $164. The year-to-date return is 7.5% and the dividend yield is 2.62%. I like to invest in products that I use myself, so products like Neutrogena, Tylenol, Band-Aids. If you find yourself using this in your day-to-day routine, you might as well invest in the stock and pay yourself back. Johnson & Johnson is a blue chip stock that has paid consistent dividends throughout the years. I know it may be a little bit pricey when starting out, but if you have certain apps like Webull and Robinhood, you can still take part of this. You don't have to buy the entire stock, you can purchase partial shares. Our next stock is Ironman. Ticker symbol is IRM. It trades at about $45 per share. Its dividend yield is about 5.45% and the year-to-date return is 16.39%. About 95% of the Fortune 1000 companies use this company to manage and store information. It's also a component of the S&P 500. The next stock I'm going to talk about is one a lot of you may be familiar with, or you may have a checking and savings account with, you may bank with them already. It is JP Morgan or Chase Bank, ticker symbol JPM. This stock right now is currently priced at about $150. Its year-to-date return ratio is 24.56% and the dividend yield is about 2.3%. Now, this company, along with the other ones I will be talking about, has consistently paid out dividends throughout the years. According to US News, JP Morgan reported last quarter that their trading revenue increased about 25% and their deposits increased 32%. So looks like things are looking up for Chase Bank. If you want to invest in the stock, it's only going to cost you $150 per share.
It's my money, my choice.
The next stock I'll be talking about is dominant in the food and snack business. And no, it's not the one that Warren Buffett holds a majority of its shares, but compared to its Coca-Cola counterpart, it is one of the better in-class stocks. This stock is Pepsi, or ticker symbol PEP. Right now, it's currently trading at a little over $145. The year-to-date return ratio on the stock is 1.67%, and the dividend yield it provides is 2.96% as of the timing of this video. A lot of you may be Coca-Cola fans or Pepsi fans. Me personally, I do enjoy both. Both, I believe, are equally refreshing, and I enjoy it with a slice of pizza or while watching a movie. I think both products are really great, and I am looking forward to investing in both. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's always great to diversify. Quick question. Do you guys think these stocks are great to invest in? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you don't mind, please smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and lets others become more aware of my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I really appreciate it. This next stock may not be as familiar as the last one was, but it is a very stable stock, which is what a lot of stock investors look for whenever they're investing and searching for a dividend stock that they want to add to their portfolio. This stock is Mondelez International, or ticker symbol MDLZ. The year-to-date return for the stock is about 4.56%. The dividend yield is a little over 2%, and it is currently priced at also a little over $62. Mondelez International includes staples such as Oreos, Trident gum, Halls candy, and Tang powdered beverage drinks. If you'd like to have international exposure included into your stock portfolio, Mondelez International is a great one to have, with 73% of its revenue coming from outside of North America. Our next stock is a stock that pretty much makes the internet possible. It involves communications equipment. This stock is Cisco Systems, or ticker symbol CSCO. Right now, it is currently priced at about $53, and the dividend yield provides 2.77%, as well as a year-to-date return of a little over 9%. From the last 9 years, this company has increased its dividends and remains a cash cow throughout the pandemic that we just went through. So since a lot of us love using the internet, I don't see this stock slowing down anytime soon. If anything, I think it has a very good future ahead of itself. Our last stock is a stock that has been nicknamed the Monthly Dividend Company, or Realty Income, ticker symbol O. This stock is currently priced at about $68 with a dividend yield of 4.23% and a year-to-date return of a little over 8%. This stock includes companies such as LA Fitness, AMC Theaters, and Regal Cinemas in its own portfolio. In my opinion, the stock is currently discounted since we haven't seen it hit the price of around $68 since 2016. Thanks to the series of unfortunate events last year, right now you can get it at a discount before seeing it continue. I think it's a great stock to invest in, especially since it does pay dividends monthly. With that said, I hope all of you have an amazing week and an abundant future, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks again!